Hi everyone, good evening. How are you doing today? So, according to the Cats community Telegram channel, you can see here it's just announced like 5 minutes ago that Cats pre-market live on Bybit. Yes, and that is true. I just checked it out. Cats is live on Bybit. And the second message there says cats can do much more than you thought. Much more than you thought. So are they trying to tell us that cats will do better than hamster? We shall see. So let's check the Bybit page and see what is happening there. So my Bybit is coming up. So I go to the search engine and I search for cats. Cats. Uh, Cardi, 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 sorry. Let me do it properly. Cards. Yes, look at it right here. So, according to this pre-market launch, the price of one card will start from 0.000552. So this is just a pre-market launch. If you remember yesterday, this is how we saw the Hamster here, and later the price changed a little bit. But this time around, let's hope this one took a very positive turn, because I'm not really impressed about what Hamster did. But let's keep our fingers crossed and let's see how it goes from here on now. And let's wait for the proper launch of this card that will be mining for a while now. Alright, that's just the update. Guys, please try and follow my channel. I'm just trying to build it. My page, sorry, my YouTube page. Please try and follow me. Thank you very much.